First duel of the night. Yes. We're doing it on Omega. Oh, it doesn't have this thing on. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's like into the frames. Oh. Round 1. Dude. Yeah, I'm using Dragon Link again. Oh, Striker Dragon. I'm on Chain Link 1, Chain Link 2. Lock Division since Dark Dragon is special summoned. What I got? Then Romulus. Activate Romulus and Knock Division. Knock Division is going to draw. Romulus is going to add the Ravine. Dang. Activate the Ravine. Effect. Send and send to the graveyard. Not Absorber. Absorber's effect. I get sent. I get to add, and I'll do boot. Boot. Special summon up to 2 rocket monsters. Okay, and then I'll go into what is LP? That's gonna be banned soon. Rest in peace, LP. And then Pisty. Okay, LP. I mean. It's gotta be Chamber. It's Chamber. And Chamber in the fence. Chamber's effect. Add tidying. Ah, I would have to go into seal right here. No. Pisty, revive back Rocket Tracer. Rocket Tracer. On the way. Charger. Sure, we could do a Chaos Ruler right there. Oh, right. Yeah. Chaos Ruler. Activate effect. Oh. Oh, they all get banished. Are you serious? No. Damn it. Vanish. Special. What the heck is going on here? Oh, I could even do this guy. No. I would have to. Oh, okay. No, stop it. That's a double, and I kind of want to keep safer. Yeah. I got 4 interruptions. What can you do? What you gonna do, huh? I'll negate that. Haven't played Dragon Link in a Let's do this. I haven't played Dragon Link in like 2 weeks. Jeez, I have no idea what it's playing. No idea. What do I usually side out here? Oh yeah, it's this. What else? Maybe one of this. I think this one. Yeah, this guy just usually gets him or something. Nah, let's go with that. It's triggering time. Ooh, nice. It's gonna actually resolve the X-Trav. Okay. Oh no! Not Geist. Oh no. Well, since I control no face-up cards, I could activate Lightning Storm. Destroy the back row. Destroy all spell or traps your opponent controls. Protocol. Okay. Okay. That's a pretty cool background. Pretty cool profile picture. Cool. Does he have multi-faker? He does have multi-faker. Son of a... Silk with this. Well, I'm gonna have to activate Dark. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Oh yeah, I've already normal summoned. That's okay. Normal summon. No. Link summon. Chain link 1. Chain link 2. Then it's kinda wanna let's see what I could do here. Ooh. Oh, I have to discard a card with this. Get him. Oh, fuck. I think I'll do the synchron. Ah, shit. No. Oh, I gotta have this, so. It's the quick launch. Fuck. Oh, sent to the graveyard. Absolute. Absolute. I think I'll get this guy, since I already have this. Wait a minute, if I do that. I think I'll get this guy. Again. Yeah. I'll summon from hand. I'll go for... I think this time we will get this guy instead of this. Damn it, I don't even, I should have put what's his name in there. Who am I gonna get now? Oh, I can still do it. I can still do it. I think I can still do it. Might still be able to do it here. Damn, why the heck did I even summon this guy then? Ah, shit. Why did I even summon him out? That's the question. Sweet. It doesn't really matter what I do here. And then last but not least, YGO Shogun. No, which one has a higher, this guy has a higher. Then I could do that. Let's do wins. Flawless. Well, that wasn't flawless, but yeah, let's just take a look at that field again. Fuck. Woo. So good. Oh, I didn't even reach 13. God damn it, where was I? I went up by 20 though. I was at 1277, 1297. And then I'm at 116, 117. There we go. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.